Sister wives, is Robin selfish or does she really care about Mary, Janelle and Christine? And fans compare the Browns and sister wives to Stranger Things. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my shocking news channel. Sister Wives, star Robin Brown is portrayed as a cross between King Henry VIII's other woman, Anne Boleyn, and Cruella de Vil. But she always made a show of caring about the other wives. For years, fans haven't believed her. Her simpering niceness seems more fox than real, and she has often come off as a backstabber. She was more than willing to push Cody towards monogamy, while crying an ocean of crocodile tears. In Sister Wives, Season 18, Robin moved closer to what always seemed to be her endgame, getting Cody all to herself. It could be argued that he no prize. Cody can be infuriating, thanks to a fragile ego, outmoded ideas about the patriarchy, and feuds with his nearest and dearest. Since Robin is so passive-aggressive, Cody may be her ideal match. She can control him almost effortlessly, just batting her eyelashes, squeezing out the aforementioned teardrops, or making a seemingly innocuous, but subtly mocking, remark about another wife is all that it takes. Robin knows that she can't post online without getting attacked. Everyone understands this. However, now is the time to add an Instagram post honoring Garrison and Janelle. Hiding behind Cody isn't the best way to proceed. At the moment, Cody and Robin are being ripped apart online. Some fans strongly imply that Garrison death is their fault. This is very cruel and Robin should address the shade, share her remembrances of Garrison, see some of his sweetest moments in the clip above, and then turn off the comments. By doing nothing, it seems like she doesn't care about Janelle Payne, even though that might not be true. Robin modus operandi is covert hostility. She doesn't shoot from the hip. Robin is all about avoiding direct confrontation to keep her hands clean. She has other ways of getting results. What she does behind the scenes always fascinates Sister Wives fans. They seem to picture Robin in the home she shares with Cody, telling him without really telling him exactly how their life should be. Robin considered the ultimate reality TV power behind the throne. Is Robin the iron fist in the velvet glove? Yes, she does get her way. No dictator or Disney villain could be more successful, despite campier, more outright misdeeds. If Robin cares about Janelle, she should say it. With comments disabled, she could express herself without fear. Sure, she'd get ripped apart on other forums, but some fans might respect her for being brave enough to speak out. Right now, the silence is hard to understand. With Christine Brown, there was always tension. Robin made Christine feel so jealous. The green-eyed monster was riding inside of Christine and pushing her towards some nasty conduct. Christine in a better place now. But once upon a time, she fled the room when she found out how Cody had been favoring Robin. Usurped by a younger wife, Christine felt used, bitter and sad. It was so hard for her to control her emotions. Whether Cody was helping Robin to pick out a wedding dress or sneaking off to kiss Robin while Christine was in labor, the insults were intense. Robin never really befriended Christine. But that's not Robin's fault. Christine wasn't interested in being friends, and didn't trust her rival. From Vegas to Flagstaff to the wilds of Coyote Pass, the sister wives' tension roiled. Robin and Christine were at odds, so it's unlikely that Robin cares about her now. As per People, Christine's new husband, David Woolley, called Cody a dumbass. So there is no ball chance in hell that Cody, Robin, Christine and David will hang out. There won't be friendly barbecues or dinner parties or anything like that. When it comes to Christine and Robin, the earth is fully scorched. So, what about Mary Brown? There's something about Mary. She milder, more respectful. perhaps more gullible. Of all of them, Robin may care the most about Mary, who actually wanted to be her friend. However, once again, Robin is radio silent as Mary embarks on a new career as an online platform owner. Mary Worthy Upventure is impressive, but Robin doesn't say a word about it. For decades, Robin played at being the loyal sister wife. She was the one who cried when things weren't working. Now, having unmasked as a monogamy fan, she is distancing herself from the women she professed to love. Quite possibly, she never loved them at all. If she does care, she should show her love. The family in pain, and sister wives Robin Brown needs to talk about the intense emotions linked with Garrison death. She should show the world that she cares about Cody exes and how their post-split lives are going. What do the Brown family from Sister Wives and The Cost of Stranger Things have in common? At first glance, fans might not find very much in common at all. But upon further glance, they could find more than meets the eye. One thing is absolutely certain, the Browns' lives have completely transformed from their days in Utah. Longtime Sister Wives fans know that the Brown family members are nothing like the way they were in season 1. Multiple moves and shifting family dynamics sparked the original three wives to leave Cody. Today, the family is completely fractured as the wives go their separate ways. And that's precisely why viewers think it's almost like they're living in the upside down world from Netflix Stranger Things. I know it's been said ad nauseum, one Redditor titled their post online. Watching season 1 as opposed to later seasons, Cody is a totally different person. The marriages, the original three wives, everything is completely different. Reminds me of Stranger Things worlds, regular versus the upside down. How bizarre. Yes. His change in personality, priorities, family values is so obvious and sad, another Redditor replied. I've wondered if the last few months have pushed him to hopefully self reflect and see where he went wrong. Not all the ways he failed his entire original family. He can still salvage relationships if he really works at it. Others replied and said they didn't think Cody Brown was capable of self reflection. He tends to put himself and Robin needs above everyone else in the family without much regret. Other Sister Wives viewers suggested that Cody Brown was always this way. He simply put on his best behavior. As time went on and Janelle, Christine, and Mary started expressing their discontent, the facade completely crumbled. Is there really a path to redemption for Cody Brown? Although at least one Redditor thought there was a way for Cody Brown to make amends with his estranged family members, others aren't so sure. The family patriarch had a very strained relationship with his sons Gabriel and Garrison. Garrison sadly took his own life at the beginning of March 2024. After this family tragedy, many Sister Wives fans don't believe there any room for Cody to repair his broken familial relationships. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has talked about her financial struggles during season 18. She explained how she was tied to the family even after parting ways with Cody. Hence, the celeb was depressed and wondered how she would be able to get out of this trap and what she would do to become monetarily stable. Amid all this, viewers recently noticed a shocking clue that hinted at Janelle. Future plans. They believe that she has her master plan ready and is perhaps heading to sue Cody and Robin for the Coyote Pass property. Is this true? What is she up to now? Janelle Brown wasn't able to withdraw her funds when she parted ways with Cody. The Sister Wives star wasn't lucky enough like Christine as the latter got her money back by reselling her house. But when it comes to Janelle, she still has her name stuck with the Coyote Pass property, and she has no hope that she'll get her money back. But now it seems that Janelle is willing to sue Cody and Robin in court. A Reddit thread recently started with a poster that claimed the same. It was from a Facebook group that stated that Janelle was going to take the bold move of suing her former husband. Though the York was also unsure if the celeb would think of doing this, the majority of the viewers felt that this was the right thing to do. A user wrote, "I could see this being true." Another one added, "Yes, she has every right to demand money." Several Sister Wives fans pointed out that Janelle has already invested a lot in Cody and Robin life. Hence, she has the right as well as the need to get her funds back. Some of them even talked about the child support matter and wondered why Janelle wasn't taking money from Cody to raise her younger daughter, Savannah. Some Sister Wives viewers came up with the idea of Mary and Janelle teaming up against Cody and Robin. Apparently, the former was also not satisfied with the distribution of the Coyote Pass land. The lone wolf wondered why she wasn't getting an equal share like other wives. Moreover, Mary has also invested a lot of money to make her former husband's life better. So, Mary and Janelle appear to be in the same boat. Apparently, they both are no longer with Cody and are completely on their own. Hence, viewers believe that the best thing for them would be to team against the latter. This would make their case way stronger, and they would recover their funds as well. Most of the fans could not control their excitement and wondered how interesting it would be if this property feud became part of the Sister Wives franchise. Many of them even claimed that they would be glued to the screens and were ready to buy tickets. However, these are just fans' theories for now, and they are still waiting for the stars to take this big step. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box, also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.